In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files in Google Meet. Whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing important documents, or simply working remotely with your team, being able to seamlessly share files during a Google Meet session can be incredibly useful. And the good news, it's straightforward and quick. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Google Meet, or simply following a saved link if you already have one. Once you've arrived at the Google Meet homepage, you're ready for the next step. Now, you'll see a button labeled New Meeting right on the front page. Click on that, and you'll be presented with several options for starting your meeting. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll opt for Start an Instant Meeting. This will immediately create a meeting room where you can interact with others. Once your meeting has started and you have your participants present, look towards the bottom of your screen. There you'll notice various icons representing different functionalities. What you want to do is locate and click on the Chat with Everyone icon. This opens the chat window where text-based communication occurs alongside your video call. At this point, you're just about ready to share your file link. It's important to note that rather than uploading a file directly into Google Meet, you will share a link to the file from a cloud-based storage service such as Google Drive. If your file is not already stored online, make sure to upload it to your preferred cloud service, then obtain a shareable link. It's crucial to ensure that your file's privacy settings are adjusted so that anyone with the link can access the file, preventing any permission roadblocks for your participants. Now go ahead and paste this shareable link into the chat box, hit enter, and all participants will now have access to the file by clicking the link you've provided. And that, my friends, is how you can efficiently share files in a Google Meet session. A few additional tips as we wrap up. Always double check the access permissions of your files before sharing to avoid any mid-meeting hiccups. Also, encourage your team members to quickly confirm receipt of the files for smoother communication. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your Google Meet sessions, making them more interactive and resourceful. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're ready to share your files effortlessly in your next Google Meet session. Thanks for tuning in and happy file sharing.